Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really cool little recipe. It's my air fryer money bags. Really nice little entree or a party dish, or just a really cool little snack. Alright, let's get on with it. You're going to need all these ingredients, and I'll go through these as the recipe progresses. Alright, so first thing I've got here is about 4 spring onions, which I've given a bit of a dice up just to give my food processor a little bit of an easier time, and we'll end up with a nice fine blend once we have finished this process. Right, put that straight into your food processor. Here I've got half a can's worth of sliced water chestnuts, which I've already run my knife through and given that a little bit of a chop as well. Right, made them a little bit smaller, again just to give the food processor a little bit of a fighting chance. About a tablespoon and a half's worth of soy sauce, good quality one at that, that can go straight in, and about the same again, maybe a tablespoon only of some sesame oil, right, and that can be added in as well. And I'm also going to add in around about a quarter teaspoon's worth of garlic paste that can go straight in, right, just like that. Give all of that a bit of a blitzy blitz, just like that. Okay, now as you can see, it hasn't all blended up properly. Don't worry, we're going to scrape the sides down, just like I'm doing right there, and I'm going to start adding in some pork mince. Now I'm using 400 grams total of pork mince. I'm going to add in about 150 grams worth for starters. We're going to put that straight into our food processor. Okay, and I'm also going to give that a little bit of a blitz. It's going to get some of the stuff off the sides. Give a good dose of some white pepper, probably about half a teaspoon's worth. Give all of that a bit of a pulse, just like I'm doing right there, and you can start to see all that stuff on the sides starting to come down into our beef or our pork mixture. We're going to add in the rest of the 400 grams worth of our ground pork or pork mince. We can put all of that straight in, just like that, and again blitz that through, and everything's going to come together quite quickly, and we'll end up with a very nice pork mince flavored paste, and it should look something like that. Alright, let's get on with making our money bags. Alright, so I've got some wonton wrappers here, just bought from my local supermarket, and we're going to add in around about 1 measured teaspoon's worth of our mixture straight in the center. Now you can try using a brush. I haven't made these for a while, and I tried to use the brush. Look, I went back to using just my finger, and we're going to put a little bit of water around the edges, and all we're simply going to do is gather up all of our edges together, just like that. Bring them all up into a central point, and that includes all the little folds that will be created once the 4 corners are brought together. And we're going to give that a good pinch, and give it a little bit of a twist, just like that, and you're going to end up with one money bag. Alright, it's going to take you about 30 seconds or so. Continue along with the rest of what you have the rest of your stuffing and your wonton wrappers. This is going to make anywhere between 30 to 40 little money bags. I've got a little bit of a dipping sauce here. That's a Vietnamese dipping sauce. You can use some sweet and sour if you want. I'm going to make up a sweet soy. I'm going to add in about tablespoons worth of agave, and I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of good quality soy sauce. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a stir, and we'll end up with a really nice sweet soy sauce. If you want to use honey, go for it. The agave just makes things a little bit quicker and a little bit easier. Spray your money bags with a bit of spray oil, just like I'm doing there. We're going to preheat our air fryer up to 200 degrees Celsius, and we're just going to start adding in some of our money bags. Don't overcrowd them. It's not worth it. We want a little bit of room around each one, so we end up with nice crunchy little money bags. Alright, so I'm going to add in about 6 in this particular batch, and yeah, really nice and simple. A little bit of room around each one. We're going to put that basket straight into our air fryer, and I'm going to step back, and I'm going to get someone that has more common sense than I do to set my air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Alright, so set it for 8 minutes, bang, off it goes, and after 8 minutes you're going to have beautiful little money bags. Now I do have my oven sitting at 50 degrees, and once these come out of the air fryer, as you can see, they're nice and golden brown. I'm going to take those out, put them on the tray, and just keep them warm at 50 degrees in the oven. Alright, so just Carefully remove those, and we're going to do these in batches. I ended up making 30 out of that particular batch, but once again, put it in, get someone who knows what they're doing to set your air fryer for you, because I mess it up every time. Right, get a nice plate out, put your dipping sauces in the center, and arrange your money bags, and you've got KP's air fryer money bags. How easy was that? I've cut that last one in half for you so you can see what the inside looks like. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is a lot of fun, and it is a really delicious little snack. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really cool little snack which is perfect for like final season, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after I eat my air fryer money bags, and I will catch you next time. Bye.